Transportation in Italy. First of all, find a tabacchi shop. They're everywhere, around every corner. You don't really need to search it, and they just have a big T on them. It basically means tobacco. Go inside and ask for a bus ticket. Also, you can buy them from newsstands. So you can search this on maps and find a closest newsstand. Throughout the city, there are metro stations. If you go into the metro station, there are machines where you can also purchase the tickets. The bus tickets are for bus and tram, and they'll give you a price. So this one is for Palermo, and it goes under a mat. It's €1.40, and it's not stamped, which means you can use it. Once you stamp it, it's valid for 90 minutes. If you go to the central station, you can buy a book of it. This is a book of 20, and it costs €23.50. So you get 20 tickets, so it's at a discounted rate. Go to the bus stop and you can check up the information. It will say the bus numbers and frequency during each season. You can also use Google Maps, however the information is not very accurate. You can also buy the ticket on the bus, however you pay more. Get on the bus and pop the ticket into the machine. It will make a loud noise and stamp the back. So right now I'm on the bus to Milan Airport. The ticket here are more expensive, it's €2.20. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!